wasn't a fairy tale. It was a mess. I don't know if it was real, 'cause there's nothing left. I let it go, all of it incompleted. You'd never know. I'm in a million pieces.